guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. Today in the lab, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different series here on my channel where I pull out an old eyeshadow palette that is in my collection. You may have it. We all have these products and eyeshadow palettes and moisturizers that we don't use as frequent anymore because of all of the new products that are coming out. Thank you, brands, for bringing out the new products, but we don't want to neglect our old products, so that's why I was like, you know what? How about I do a series here on my channel where we do like a Throwback Thursday type of video, and I pull out a eyeshadow palette and create a look using that eyeshadow palette just to, you know, not make our old products and eyeshadow palettes feel like they're not wanted. But stay tuned for the series if you want to see how I got this look. Give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It definitely helps me out. And yeah, stay tuned if you want to see how I created this really pretty, like, violet, purpley, pinky type of vibes. I'm really liking it. So yeah, stay tuned. So y'all, I'm so hyped that I got my hands on this shadow switcher. It's a shadow switch makeup brush cleaner. Instantly cleans the brushes, no water or cleaner required. I've never heard of EJ Beauty, but it looks like this. And I actually got this from Marshalls for $4.99. I was so hyped when I got this. So this is going to be exciting to do some makeup tutorials. So in today's video, I have a few ideas that I wrote down for the year of 2020 that I want to do on my channel. Some of the things I want to bring back, such as like what's in my everyday stash for that month. But you guys let me know down below if you still want me to do that series here on my channel. But now I want to start doing like, I asked you guys in the community tab, like maybe like an advice segment or a topic type of discussion when I do makeup and we just sit down together and chit chat, and you guys give me some topics. So definitely comment down below some topics of those discussions that you want to talk about here, because we're girls, we want to help each other out, we need to uplift each other, and I'm all about that. So definitely comment down below some topics and discussions that we need to talk about, or if you have some advice you want me and the family to talk about, then you can definitely email me, and I'll put my email in the description box below where I'll accept those emails and respond in the videos as we go forward and just get closer with one another and just build this grand family that I'm trying to build here with you guys. So enough of me rambling on. So I'm gonna try to create, you know, a Valentine-esque. If I don't do a Valentine-esque in this video, then stay tuned for a Valentine video. I haven't done a Valentine's Day look on my channel since like maybe 2 years ago or a year ago. But I want to bring one back, which is another type of look that you can do with a throwback palette, or even an affordable one. Comment down below what you guys think. I don't know. I'm too many thoughts of videos are in my head right now. But yes, I'm going to go in with this palette, and like I said, I already did my face, so I'm just going to start with my all over lid, and I'm going to go in with Weekender and put that all over my lid. So I'm super excited for this series here on my channel because I get to talk to you guys more, and we get to bring out our old makeup and bring out those palettes that we used to use. Like, I know it could be a bit rough and tough because all these brands will bring out all this new stuff and you want to stay on trend and try the new stuff. But girl, we can't neglect our old stuff that we spent that coin on, okay? So that is why I was like, you know what? I want to do like a Throwback Thursday type of thing here on my channel. And I'm super excited to just, you know, keep coming with this content. You guys comment down below and let me know what you guys' thoughts are as far as me, you know, being consistent and doing my best to stay that way. The next color, I'm going to go ahead and see about this little shadow switcher. Okay, not bad. I'm going to go in with Riff, which is this transition shade here. But this is my MAC 224 brush, blending brush. But yeah, I like to pack the shade on because it gives me the ability to blend it like all the way up to my crease, and then also when it's time to add another color on there, it just to me it just looks so much better when you do that, like when you stamp the colors on rather than immediately blending. I think I'm gonna go in with this Baja shade, which is like this deep orange. I'm trying not to go too orange. I really wanted to go pink. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do a still shot. I'm gonna add that to the crease using the same MAC brush. All right, my next shade, I'm gonna go in with Smog. I don't know why I feel like doing this shade, but we shall see how this is gonna go. Going in with this BH Cosmetic brush. I don't remember the name on it. I have this brush set for a long time. So I'm just gonna place this on my lid. Oh girl, she's giving nothing. Let me go in with my finger. See if that'll do something. All right, so I pretty much am done with the eye. I'm gonna go ahead and add some falsies and then come back with the finished eye look and the rest of the face. So, be right back. All right, now that the lashes on, I actually really like these lashes, so I may be trying to find these again at Marshall's. Again, these are the Kala 3D Faux Weightless Volume multi-dimensional lashes in the style Fuego, and the packaging looks like this. They were only $3.99. They are super fluffy, and I like that. It gives like this dramatic look without it looking too like bam, like girl, you got spiders on your eyelashes. But anywho, let's finish up the rest of the face. I am gonna go in my bottom lash line with maybe in my inner corner. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Killawatt foil, and I'm gonna use the Sangria Sunset, which is this pink shade. I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. And on my bottom lash line, I'm gonna go in with the same shades that I use at the top, but mainly just Punked, which is the brown, and Still Hot, which was this shade here. All right, so for blush, I'm gonna go ahead and mix the e.l.f. Infused Primer blush and then my MAC Lovejoy Mineralized blush. I love these. I've been putting these together and I've been loving the outcome. All right, guys, so I'm back with the finished look. And I really like how this turned out because I was able to go in with some oldies but goodies, but the Killawatt foil highlighters, this one, the Sangria Sunset in the inner corner, and then on the high bones of my cheek for my highlighter, I went in with Mule and mixed it with my Patrick Star and MAC Hot and Heavy face powder. But like I said, all of the products will be listed in the description box below. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Also comment down below and let me know what eyeshadow palette you want me to do on the next Throwback Thursday eyeshadow look. So yes, give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.